Hello, welcome to Inner GPS Gurus. What are the best ways to please a man who is your boyfriend, husband, or partner? The best ways to please a man who is your boyfriend, husband, or partner is to start adding value to his life. Adding value to his life will make you the most attractive woman, and he will get hooked to you because each moment you have something to offer to him for the success in his personal and professional life. You can add value to your man by knowing about his inner GPS, and to know his inner GPS, you need to know what is in your inner GPS. Your inner GPS has the capacity to guide you to know how a person feels in each moment, which activities or actions in life gives you the pleasures and what gives you pain. When you know how to tap your inner GPS, you will know how to become valuable partner for your man in every stage of your relationship with him. You have to shift your attention from the objective reality to the subjective reality. Objective reality means that you are operating from the mind and you are behaving with your man, becoming a mind, and the contents of the mind is collected from outside. You start behaving with your man like other women behave with their man. Your man is an individual, and to know his importance is an art. When you treat your man as the king, you will live the life of a queen. When you treat your man like a servant, you become the maid. Bring abundance to your man by making him focus on his life and the areas in his life where he can grow as an individual. If he is going through disturbances in his emotional state, you can help him remove his energetic blockages by tapping his inner GPS. You will come to know the reasons or causes of the problems he is facing emotionally, and in that phase you can help him like a mentor, like a healer. When you relieve your man from the emotional stress, you will add value to him directly, because there are certain personal problems of a man which he cannot share with anyone outside, and he can confide in you only when you can generate trust by adding value to him like a healer. If he has professional problems, by allowing him to work in that direction, by making him focus on his work and not disturbing him and seek attention from him unnecessarily, you can give him the required space to grow as a professional. And this action of yours will be a step towards maturity in relationship with him in the long run. If you are allowing your boyfriend to focus on his career and he becomes wealthy, then he will have a strong reason to choose you, to make you as the partner for lifetime. Getting married or not getting married is your choice, but yes, the yin and yang functions on this planet, and every man needs a trustworthy woman who can be his best companion. A female, apart from his physical needs, can be his best friend, the best guide, the best person to hang around with all the time. You can generate trust in him when you focus on your life and your energies, when you focus on your individuality. Whatever you do in your life, if that action is from a space of abundance, that abundance will reach your man. If you are operating from a victimhood or self-pity or a complaining nature, then your man will not trust you, and hence there is no guarantee that the relationship will last longer. If you are already in a relationship, then there is the chance to rectify your mistakes. If you have been too much possessive in the past, too much argumentative and complaining in the past, you can change your approach towards him by becoming someone who is free herself. Only a person who is free can allow freedom to others. Your man will respect you more if he can feel himself in your presence. If he can radiate higher in your presence. Only by radiating higher and remaining in abundance will make you attractive for him forever. The space from which you operate should be completely from consciousness and not from the egoic mind of being a woman or being someone who is demanding attention all the time from the men. Your man has other areas of his life, his health, wealth, relationship, career, and further development as a human being are the areas which needs his attention. Relationship is just one part of his life. When you understand this, you will understand that your health, your career, your wealth is not different from your man. You can be a homemaker and live the best life with your man because he will do everything for you if you are supportive and adding value to him in his life. You can have a career or a profession which is in alignment with the career of your husband, boyfriend or partner. His priority should be your priority because this is how a successful marriage, a successful partnership or a successful relationship lasts between a man and a woman. When the woman forgets her femininity and starts competing with the man and keeps on judging or comparing with the man, she feels inferior and as a result she feels the need to operate like a man, and all the hormonal changes begin in her body. Recognize your qualities of being a female and how your femininity, the quality of surrender, the quality of adding value to your man is going to make your relationship last longer and it will be a quality relationship. A man doesn't need a man in his home. A man gets attracted to a woman for her feminine qualities. The femininity lies not only in the physical form, in the physical body, but in the quality of attitude, the quality of feminine energy in a female body. If you feel that you are not able to please your man and your man is not happy with you and your relationship is not giving you happiness, you can connect to me and share with me the problems you are facing. I will help you locate your inner GPS. You can learn how to tap your inner GPS and also learn how to tap the inner GPS of your man so that you live a good, happy and peaceful life where your relationship area is sorted and you find it innovative way to live. For any questions, any confusion, connect to me for a one-to-one coaching. I will help you take some concrete action plans to apply in your life and you will see the results as you implement them. Thank you so much. Have a good day.